Welcome back, family, to part 2 of stuffed chicken breasts. Now we've stuffed them already. Now we're going to season them. And I have my pan that I cook my stuffing in, warming up. Don't wash it, just leave all the juices and everything in it. And so here we go. I have some garlic powder, pepper, and salt. And I have my olive oil. I'm going to sprinkle some olive oil. And remember, my oven is heating at 350. Pepper. Maybe a little less than what I'm using, but yeah, pepper. Salt. Garlic powder. On almost everything. And kind of rub it in really quickly. Pat it in, rather. And we're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Wipe my hands off. Olive oil. Pepper. Salt. Garlic powder. Pat it in. Rinse my hands off. And now we're going to add it to the pan, just to brown both sides. That's how hot you want your pan. Let's do the flat side first. Turn that over. We're going to turn it up on high and let that brown. I flipped it over. Now we're going to brown the opposite side for about a minute or so. I'm going to remove them and put them on a cooking sheet, point them to the oven. And see what you see there? I'm not going to clean this pan, I'm going to keep it because I'm going to make a sauce to go over it, to go over the chicken after it's done. So we're going to put it in the oven. Take a piece of foil and just set it over top. Don't tighten it. And put it into the oven. Just wanted you to see, just lay the foil over top and place it into the oven. Oh yeah, and there you have it, stuffed chicken breast. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope it was fun for you. It was fun for me. And don't forget to pray. And pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for them. Pray for you, pray for us. Then pray again. Don't stop praying. Pray. And until next time, friends, be well.